Which of the following is the most important cause of animals and plants being driven to extinction? The answer is option C, habitat loss and fragmentation. Habitat loss and fragmentation is considered the most significant cause of extinction for both plants and animals. So, when the natural habitats are destroyed or divided into smaller, isolated patches, it severely impacts the survival of species, disrupting the ecosystems and reducing biodiversity. So, the answer is option C. Coming to option A, overexploitation. Though overhunting, fishing, and harvesting can lead to extinction, it is less common cause compared to habitat destruction. Option B, alien species invasion. So this is an invasive species threatening the native species. But habitat loss remains the dominant factor, so option B is incorrect. Option D, co-extinctions. This occur when the extinction of one species lead to the extinction of another dependent on it, but it is often a consequence of habitat loss or other factors. So option D is also incorrect. The answer is option C, habitat loss and fragmentation.